I wanted to remind you that we have Easy Street on the ground. We currently have bulk, 1-ton sacks, and 50-pound bags available. Some of the great features of our product is that it's always workable. It has a shelf life of 6 months to a year. It's guaranteed permanent, and it's really easy to use. In these times of social distancing, one of the greatest features is that this product can be used just by one person. So I'm going to demo that by filling this pothole all by myself. First thing I'm going to do is sweep out the hole. I'm going to remove all debris and any loose asphalt. Next, I'm going to break open the bag and pour in just enough that I'll have a 1-inch lip. Once done, I'll simply drive over the patch until it's fully compacted. And just like that, I'm done.